So we are doing funds flow statement, question number 5. Following are the balance sheet of Sahil Limited as on 31st March 2016 and 2017. Note number 31st March 2016, 31st March 2017. But in general, practically 17 we will do first and so, but to make you confused, they gave 16 first and 17 later. So just compare from 2016 to 2017. Is there increase or decrease in the share capital? Okay. So share capital increase हुआ या decrease हुआ यहाँ पे? Is it increased or decreased? So if it is increased, it will be called as source. Issue of shares will be source. So how much it is increased? 60,000 it is increased from 2016 to 2017. Reserves and surplus, leave it, put a star mark and write FFO. We will do it later. Where it will go? It will go to funds from operation. We need to take into funds from operation. Next, we are having trade payables and other current liabilities. Trade payables and other current liabilities are current liabilities. So comes under changes in working capital statement. So write it down, changes in working capital statement. If current liability increases, see, अच्छा यहाँ पे decrease हुआ, current liability decreases, current liability decreases, working capital also, sorry, working capital increases, right? करंट लायबिलिटी डिक्रीज हुआ तो वर्किंग कैपिटल इंक्रीज होता, दोनों में वैसा ही है. ये अदर करंट लायबिलिटीज में क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है उसके हिसाब से देख के करना है. वी नीड टू सी व्हाट इज देयर इन दी अदर करंट लायबिलिटी అండ్ డూ అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్. మనం ఏం చేయాలి, దీనికి సంబంధించి ఏమైనా అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటే దానిలాగా చేయాలి. ఓకే, టిల్ నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రిలేటింగ్ టు లయబిలిటీస్ పార్ట్. లెట్ us see the other thing. See, fixed assets are there. We are having fixed assets. Okay, non-current assets, under that fixed assets are there, 1,30,000 and 2,07,000. Put a star mark for this. They gave some notes to this in the question. Okay, we need to do according to that. So put a star mark and leave that one. It will be either application or source or FFO. We need to consider according to that. Next, we are having current assets. This is the heading. All these inventories, trade receivables, and cash equivalents. These things comes under changes in working capital statement, where it will go changes in working capital. And remember, these are current assets. If current asset is increases, working capital increases. If current asset decreases, working capital decreases. This is the rule for current asset. So inventory is 3 lakhs and 3,50,000. Is it increased or decreased? Increase. So it will come under increase 50,000, 50K increase हो रहा, increase column में लिखना पड़ा. Here trade receivables also increasing, whatever difference is there increase में. and cash equivalents also increasing, so it will come under increase in working capital. Okay, so liabilities and assets part is over except these additional information related. So reserves and surplus, under that surplus as per P&L statement means profit and loss for the year we need to find out with this. So funds from operation में जाता है, and preliminary expenses, these also funds from operation part. Okay, see P&L previous year it is 2,50,000, current year it is 5 lakh. So how much it is increased? 2,50,000, 2,50,000. This 2,50,000 net profit for the year. Net profit for the year. Okay, and preliminary expenses written off is non-operating expenditure. So this will go to FFO plus हो जाएगा 2,000 difference is there. Okay, next very important one, buildings at cost. They are saying what? Buildings at cost. Buildings दिए at cost 1,40,000 and 2,18,000, and depreciation also there. Depreciation on building. Okay, opening and closing balances. When buildings are maintained at cost, this depreciation is called as accumulated depreciation or provision for depreciation or depreciation fund. Treatment will be same, name may be anything. So one building account, building at cost account we need to maintain, another one depreciation. So according to that we need to do. And in the next page there is additional information. Let's get that to you. So here is the next page information. During the year, building which was purchased earlier, कितने में purchase करे? At earlier you have purchased it for, hope now it is looking properly. Building earlier purchased for 14,000, depreciation written off till now 1,000 was sold for 1,200. कितने में सेल करें? 1,200 पे सेल करेंगे थे. So sale of building account also will come. Okay, next dividend 40,000 has been paid during the year. See, dividend propose करना पड़ता है general meeting में at the end of the financial year. So after preparation of balance sheet, this will be done. So this is an adjustment item. So proposed dividend will be back in appropriations, as well as dividend paid is an application. What it is? Application also. So it is an adjustment thing. We need to add in FFO. Again, it will be considered as paid, whatever dividend paid as application. Shall we do it? Hello, yes. Mic testing 1 2 3. तो अभी आपके पास क्वेश्चन होगा, थोड़ा मेरा मदद करना, सही करना वो भी. सर ऐसे प्रॉब्लम देते क्या एग्जाम में? ये क्वेश्चन आएगा बहुत सारे लोगों को. See whether it is given or not, I don't know. If they give, you need to do like this. So जब प्रिपेयर करें तो अच्छा प्रिपेयर करेंगे बस. And these are the topics even will be, वो जो ANTU वाला हो या उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी वाला, एंड इवन एमकॉम को भी ये वाले आएंगे, सीए सीडब्ल्यूए करने वाले को भी रहेगा। ओके, मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड टॉपिक, फंड्स फ्लो स्टेटमेंट, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट्स, रेशियो एनालिसिस वाले टॉपिक्स नहीं है, दे विल कम इन वन और अदर वे। इवन बीबीए स्टूडेंट्स, जो लोग बीकॉम थोड़ा टफ रहता बोल के बी रहेगा वन और अदर सेमिस्टर को। सो लेट अस डू दिस। होप इट इज अपीयरिंग।
Yes, sir.
आपको
Good evening, sir. Hello, hello. Mic testing. Hello. Hello. Hello.
can you pause for a second? Hello. Just a second. Can you pause for a second? Question number 5, G, page number
29.
okay, G29. Working note 1. We are doing working note 1. What is working note 1 means? Fixed asset, building at building is at cost. So building account at cost we are preparing. Particulars rupees. What is the opening balance of building? Go to the working notes given in the question down. Okay, and see there is opening balance of building, that will come debit side to balance brought down, and there is closing balance, that will be by balance carried on. What is the opening balance of building? Hello. Opening balance building.
For building.
Building only.
At cost
Not
का बोलना है.
depreciation.
Okay.
At cost का ही. Building at cost का ही.
2,18,000.
2,18,000 opening balance.
एक मिनट सर, opening
Closing?
balance. एक मिनट सर.
2016,
Opening balance
2017.
1,40,000.
ओपनिंग 1,40,000, हर बार मुझे ऐसा कटाते
40. 1,40,000.
ओके. क्लोजिंग
2,18,000.
2,18,000 closing, right? These are the information relating to building, right? Similarly, next account, accumulated depreciation account, accumulated depreciation account also we need to prepare. So accumulated depreciation is a liability. Similar thing we did in cash flow. Particulars, okay, particulars amount I'm writing, nothing that here by balance brought down 11,000 is there, right? To balance carried down, it is liability, so starts with the credit balance and ends with the debit balance. How much it is? Is it 14,000? 15,000? Building depreciation
10,000.
है, depreciation है, depreciation ओपनिंग में कितना?
ओपनिंग में 10 है और क्लोजिंग में 11.
ओके, ओपनिंग 10,000, क्लोजिंग 11,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, closing 11,000, right? Opening 10,000, closing 11,000. Next we are having, after this there is additional information saying that one asset building costing 14,000 was sold during the year on which there was depreciation of 1,000, right? So we need to open one more account, okay, sale of building account. Which account? Sale of building account. So this is maintained at cost. Out of this 1,40,000, that asset which is sold also there. So by sale of building, what is the asset value sold? 14,000. 14,000 worth asset is sold. Okay, so in building account, what you wrote? By sale of building, this is cost value. Okay, cost value of asset sold, which will come debit side, in sale of building account. Two particulars rupees, particulars यहाँ पे rupees. So we will write to building account, how much? 14,000 on this depreciation till, आज तक इसके ऊपर कितना डिप्रिसिएशन था? टू सेल ऑफ बिल्डिंग, असेट जो सेल करे उसके ऊपर अब तक बिल्डिंग के ऊपर इप्पट वरक है ना डिप्रिसिएशन 1,000 rupees given in the additional information. Next page you can see this is depreciation on asset sold. Depreciation on asset sold is 1,000 rupees. Okay, this will come credit side of building account by accumulated depreciation account 1,000 rupees, and this is been sold for rupees this asset is been sold for rupees 1200. So by bank account, sale value 1200 rupees will go to source in funds flow statement. Now debit side of క్వశ్చన్ లో అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లో ఉంది, 4 సార్లు రిపీట్ చేసిన. ఒకసారి నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ లో పోయి చూడు, ఈ కథ అంతా చెప్పారు. 14,000 దానిపైన డిప్రిసియేషన్ 1,000 ఉండే, అది ఎంత కమ్ముతున్నాం ఈ ఇయర్ లో? 1200 కమ్ముతున్నాం. ఓకేనా? మధ్యలోకి వచ్చినావు కదా క్లాస్ కి, స్టోరీ లేనట్టున్నావు. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో 14,000 ఎంత కమ్మేసినాం? 14,000 పైన 1000 రూపీస్ డిప్రిసియేషన్ ఉండే, అంటే 13,000 1200 కమ్మినాం. సో బై లాస్, ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్, ఓకే, లాస్ ఆన్ సేల్ ఆఫ్ బిల్డింగ్ ఈజ్ 11,800. 14,000 లో నుంచి 2,800 తీసేస్తే 11,800. This is your balancing figure. Loss on sale of building, will go to funds, where it will go? Funds from operation. So next account we are closing. Debit side it is 12,000, credit side it is 10,000. Sorry, total both sides it should be 12,000. So 12,000 both we wrote. So whatever difference is there, that will be current year depreciation for current year transfer to profit and loss account, and it will come under FFO as a place item. Much 2,000 rupees is the balancing figure. This is your balancing figure here, 2,000. Okay, this 2,000. Next we are having building account. Debit side it is 1,40,000, credit side it is 2,18,000 plus 14,000, 2,32,000 is it? One of you please total it. For me it is 2,32,000. Otherwise I'll only do 2,18,000 plus 14,000, 2,32,000. From this we need to deduct 1,40,000 opening balance. So current year building purchased is 92,000. So to bank we will write to bank account. Okay, it is an application, purchase of building. Similar accounts we did when cost is given in the cash flow statement also. So this comes under application. Here this 1,200 will go to source and this 1,100 will go to FFO, and this of 2,000 will go to depreciation, will go to FFO. This is working note 2. This is working note 3. Okay, there are no other working notes required. Next we need to do working note. Next working note will be relating to funds from operation. Working note 4. how much time left over?
Less than 1 minute.
Shall we join